Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Japan is fascinated with Germany. Japan underwent rapid modernization after 1868, frequently adopting German models for its development. Diplomatic relations were formally established in 1861 with Prussia, a predecessor to modern Germany. This early connection fostered significant exchange. Notably, a large number of Japanese students chose Germany for their studies abroad during the 1920s, indicating a strong intellectual draw and a deep interest in German advancements and culture. The shared history between Japan and Germany includes remarkable parallels, such as both nations experiencing rapid economic recoveries following World War II. Culturally, there's a common perception that both Japanese and Germans are punctual, serious-minded, and diligent in their work. Furthermore, both cultures place a high value on orderliness, cleanliness, and a strong respect for rules and established procedures. These perceived similarities contribute to a mutual understanding and appreciation between the two countries. The cultural exchange between Japan and Germany has been profound and multifaceted. German language and culture, for instance, often spread to other East Asian countries through Japan. German literature and art have also left a significant and lasting impact on Japanese cultural development. In modern times, this fascination is evident in popular culture, with anime frequently incorporating German aesthetics, architecture, and even military-inspired uniforms, showcasing a continued appreciation for German design and style. Today, Germany and Japan stand as major global economies and are both members of the G4 nations, highlighting their significant international roles. Both countries are renowned for their excellence in manufacturing, advanced engineering, and meticulous craftsmanship, driving innovation and quality worldwide. This strong economic foundation continues to foster a robust relationship. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Your support helps us create more content like this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.